All right, Michael made landfall shortly after 1:30 this afternoon as nearly a Category 5 hurricane, a strong Category 4 with 155-mile-an-hour winds, and it was right around Mexico Beach is where the storm made landfall. It is currently a Category 3, and it will continue to weaken, so that's the good news. Now that it's over land, it can't get any stronger. When it made landfall, the central pressure was 27.14 inches. And if any of you have a barometer at home, you know how low that pressure is. And Mark's going to talk more about how significant that central pressure is coming up on Eyewitness News at 5:30. But now you can see the eye is making its way into southwest Georgia. This red box that you see here, that is the threat of tornadoes. There's been some tornado warnings this afternoon. And here's the latest. Winds are down to 125 miles an hour. It's still a major hurricane, Category 3 strength. It's going to weaken into a tropical storm tonight and then move off the coast near Norfolk, Virginia, sometime tomorrow night into early Friday morning, and the center will stay well to the south of New England. The only problem is that there's a lot of tropical moisture in place over New England now, and it will continue to do so through tomorrow. So we're going to be facing some heavy downpours, even though we'll have no direct impact from Michael. So Hartford now, we got a beautiful sky, looking kind of tropical with clouds and some blue up there. New Haven, a mostly sunny sky. Early morning pinpoint Doppler is scanning the stay dry, at least for now. 81 at Windsor Locks. The high was at least 84 today. It's still 80 degrees in Hartford, 77 degrees in New Haven, and Willimantic 79. Now look at the dew point. We're in the 60s to around 70. So that high humidity is in place, and we got all that warm, humid air flowing in from the south-southwest. The wind is averaging 5 to as much as 15 miles an hour across the estate, and you can see warm weather surrounds us. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s for many miles around us until you get up into Maine, where the air there is a lot cooler. All right, so on the large picture, you can see that we have a rather complex situation off to our west. A lot of rain across the Midwestern states with a cold front. Of course, you got Michael making landfall this afternoon. All that moisture is moving toward the northeast in our direction. So Futurecast shows at 7 o'clock this evening, partly cloudy. We'll cloud up overnight. Temperatures will stay in the 60s to near 70, and there could be a spot shower around for the morning commute, but the weather could be rough for the afternoon commute with heavy tropical downpours in the state. And again, none of this is directly associated with Michael. And then as Michael moves off the coast to the south of New England, look at that Friday morning. Heavy rain to the south of Connecticut on into perhaps Cape Cod, and then that all moves out to sea Friday afternoon, and drier air will be moving in. So we're going to end the week on a nice note. As far as rainfall goes, some parts of the state could get an inch or two of rain tomorrow and tomorrow night, and maybe even some locally higher amounts. And when that rain comes down really hard, there could be some localized flash flooding. So lows tonight in the 60s to near 70, and highs tomorrow in the 70s with torrential downpours coming our way in the afternoon and evening. So here's your 7-day forecast. Friday, maybe some lingering rain early, otherwise partly sunny and breezy. 65 to 70 will be in the 40s Friday night. Saturday, good weather for the Hartford Marathon. There might be a morning shower, otherwise partly sunny and cool, a high of 58. 36 Saturday night, and Sunday mostly sunny and 62. It looks like cool weather on tap for next week with a chance for some rain or showers now and then. For the shoreline tomorrow, showers mainly in the afternoon and a high of 75.